Hey there, Credit Savvy viewers. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your address on Credit Karma in 2025. If you've recently moved or just need to update your info for accurate credit monitoring, you're in the right place. Credit Karma makes it simple, but with potential updates for 2025, let's walk through the latest steps together. This process should only take a couple of minutes, so grab your device and follow along. First things first. Open your web browser or the Credit Karma app and log into your account. Use your email and password. Don't forget two-factor authentication if you have it enabled for extra security. Once you're in, head to your profile section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. It's that little picture or initials that represent you. Now, look for the Personal Information or Account Settings tab. In 2025, Credit Karma might have a refreshed interface, so it could be labeled as Profile Details. Scroll through until you spot it. Click on that, and you'll see your current address listed. Next, find the Edit button, often a pencil icon or a Edit Profile link, and select it to make changes. Enter your new address carefully. Double-check the street, city, state, and zip code to avoid any errors that could mess with your credit reports. Credit Karma may ask for verification, like confirming via email or text, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once everything looks good, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, like the changes not sticking, make sure your account is up to date and try clearing your cache or using a different device. This helps ensure smooth sailing. And remember, keeping your address current is key for things like loan applications or identity protection. There you have it. That's how you change your address on Credit Karma in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay smart with your finances, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.